Hello YouTuber. You want to know how to promote your YouTube channel on this channel? Then listen carefully. Make a little video about yourself, about your YouTube channel, your mission behind your channel, your theme, what is it about. Just promote yourself and promote your YouTube channel. Send me an email if you're interested in promoting your YouTube channel to the.ghibini.promote@gmail.com. I will also have the email in the description below. Make sure you send me your social media links like Twitter, Facebook, homepage, etc. to then I can upload your informations to the video. If some more details you put in, if the better people know what is your YouTube channel about, and they can comment on it and discuss about it, and you maybe get more followers, more video views. We will see how big this channel becomes. But I will make for every videos little playlists, like if it's about sport or cars or painting or whatever. I will make sure everything will be in the right category to promote your video right, and people can find new YouTube channel. This is the mission behind, and for you to get more followers and more subscribers. Thank you for listening, and I hope I get a lot of promotion videos, and it can be a lot of fun if you be a part of this channel. Thank you very much.